Udalasida ham ovoz zaps ketyapti. Mana ishonmaganda mana o'ynayapman, video kesib mana. Mana buchadan ketyapti. Xullas dalasi o'ynayman. Bilasizlar, menga narsa kerak, olmos, tanga narsa qilib yig'ib turib, o'sha dunyo uchun ko'p yanglishim kerak, xullas. Mana o'yin ham boshlandi.
It's a big crowd today, and this is the 11 unveiled. Playing with a 4-1-4-1 today, just one lone striker, but they should dominate other areas of the pitch. He got that all wrong. Southside tackles. Jesus. Headed upfield. He's shaping to shoot. Strong tackle. Out of the danger zone there. Right. What an opportunity. What a save by Lopez.
Mas gol qilgandan nima dedim bo'ladi
Take
bunda.
another look at that wonderful save.
Qalamlar gol.
A short goal kick there. He's confident on the ball. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. Let's take another look at that. Wins the aerial battle.
Oh, this is.
Great pass. Jesus! What a save by Lopez. Hooks it forward. A misplaced pass.
Obuna bo'lishinglar, obuna bo'lsangiz sizlar video olaman.
Right. Southside tackles. What a chance. What a save by Lopez.
Marta buni yomon ekan buni. Marta buni yomon ekan.
Uses his head. It's gone out for a throw-in. Right. That's a terrible tackle. Oh, it's a yellow card. He'll have to be careful now. The goal is beckoning. Definite offside there, no question.
Offside mi? Offside ekanlar, ikki bar gol bo'lmaydi.
Not offside. Not much happened.
Birinchi taym gol bo'ldi.
Will we see goals in the second?
James penaltilar so'rayapmiz. Abdushi makaron kalla deydi-ku, PUBG'da bitta. Ular jigarlar, podpiska obuna bo'lish esdan chiqmasin, kommentariy bo'lmanglar, Telegramda ham akkaunt ochib turib videomga qo'yib qo'yaman. Unda ham Abdushi narsa qilinglar, naki videoda davomida naki narsa qilib qo'yaman. Akkauntimni Instagramga obuna bo'linglar, ichingizga ham. Mana o'yin boshlandi, video ketgan. O'yin boshlandi, 1-0 dan ketgan. Birinchi taym ikkinchi taym boshlandi. Ikkinchi taym
Players on the pitch, and they make an impact though in this second half. between this team. What will he try? What a save by Lopez. Good tackle by Anguissa. Jesus. He goes for goal. Great reflexes.
Gol uroqlik jigarlar.
Distant shot.
Ne unuttu anne.
Sanson tackles. An accurate pass. He shoots. That is a fantastic goal.
Golni ko'rasiz, Xuddina golni. Gol Hala Madrid qo'rama, Hala Madrid. Goldan ko'rishchilarmi? Golni ham.
He picked his spot and the goal
Gol
was
ya.
never in doubt.
O'zimcha tipoda. Gol kirsa kiribdi deb turib. O yetdimi yetdida tipdi.
What a strike.
Buralgani otdi.
Rocket of a shot.
9ga kiraydi. Mashin chiqib 9ga kirishga. Lekin yaxshi tepishlar.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. It's Coquelin. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Quality defending there. Right.
Ulgurmadi. Vayli. Bizlar bizda bitta gol urilgan. Muhimi.
He's headed the ball forward. That was a bad pass. This is a player who's making it all happen. Only a narrow lead for one team. Can the losing side get things level or even start a comeback? He failed to connect with that tackle. Well cut out. Player seems in
Tram
pain.
oldu
Let's
oyunun.
hope he's not too badly
Oyun için.
injured. Notes are being taken on the touchlines. Will we see some subs introduced?
Voy, sherga mavzu qilishlar qo'yma.
Their passing has been so accurate. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for goal. Oh, he's
Biriga
saved
birda.
it.
Yakalik boy gol urdim-ku, o'sha joy edit qilib qo'yadi. Kim agar edit qilib Instagramga qo'ysa, 1 million prosentr yig'sa, Delis account beraman.
Interrupt from this set piece. That's a great ball in. Oh, not the best header.
Las. Delis account beraman.
The fans thought it had gone
O'zimga
in.
edit qilib qo'yaman, o'zimga esa qo'yaman.
It's
Bu
all
etga jigarlar. Birini yutdi, ikkini qilolmadi. Ya'ni 2 minut 5 minut berganda gol urar edik jigarlar. To'g'ri. Video yoqqan bo'lsa, like, подписка esdan chiqmasin jigarlar. Sizlar bilan Abdulaziz. Yana qiziqarli videolar qo'yaman. Bu safar o'yinchi sotib olganlarimni, nasl qilganlarimni qo'yaman. Bu akkaunt kelinglar akkaunt kuchaytirib berish kerak buni. 50 qilib terib egasiga beraveramiz. Men 20 qilgandan keyin narsa qilib beraman. Mbappe kelgan, Mbappe voy degan pulga ketdi olmos. Bundan ikkita bor. O'tishga. Xullas mana o'yinchilarimni ko'rasizlar, o'zlari o'yinchilari. Ko'pini sotib o'rgan ekan, birorta ham narsasi yo'q ekan. Xullas, deganlar. Okamizga akkaunt 50 qilib turib kuchaytirib beramiz. Hammasi sap-sariq o'yinchilar qilib beraman. Ikkita sariqcha o'yinlar bor ekan. O'gamiz ko'kaga ularni sotib hammasi ko'k qilib beraman. Xullas, sizlar bilan Abdulaziz, podpiska, obuna bo'lish eslatishmiz. Kommentariyaga omad deymiz. Bu yil sizlar bilan Abdulaziz. Video yoqqan bo'lsa, like, podpiska bosish eslatishmiz, obunachi. Edit qilish eslatishmiz. Edit qilib o'zim ham qo'yaman. Bo'pti jigarlar, yana ko'rishguncha.